Hello friends, I'm Prajan Rai and you are watching now Missiontop computer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Google account using Android mobile phones. So now let's start the video. You can see here, now I'm going to open my Android settings and I'm going to tap on accounts and backup options. And I'm going to tap on accounts, and now I'm going to choose add account options. Tap on Google options, now I'm going to verify my identity using my fingerprints. Okay, you can see here this is the sign in screen, but now I'm going to choose create account options and I'm going to choose for myself. And now I'm going to input my name here and I'm going to enter my last name and tap on next. Now I'm going to input my birthday information here. First I'm going to input day and select my birth month, and I'm going to input my birth year and I'm going to choose my gender. Now tap on next. You can see here there is 3 Gmail address. I need to choose one Gmail address here and I need to input password for my Google account here. And now I'm going to confirm my password for my Google account. And here we need to input phone number for Google account verification. You can add phone number here like this, but now I'm not using my phone number, so now I'm going to skip this screen. I will use my phone number for my Google account verification. You can see here this is the privacy and terms agreement, and now I'm going to tap on agree. Now my Google account has been successfully created in my Android mobile phones. Now I'm going to search my created Gmail account. You can see here. Okay, you can see here this is my Google account I have created right now. And now I'm going to check my Google account in my Gmail application. You can see here there is my previous Gmail account, and I can't see here my created Gmail account here. So now I'm going to tap add another account and I'm going to back. Okay, you can see here this is my Gmail account I have created right now. Okay, thanks for watching the video. I hope you understand this video, and if you like this video, please like and share with your friends. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I will meet with another video. Till the next video, bye bye. Namaste.